This is the cedar berry cherry. I like the taste of it. It's not very sweet, but it's sweet enough. It does not have a sour touch to it when it ripens. I haven't eaten it when it's not ripe. My kid likes it very much.
I got it. I got it.
Okay.
I got it. I got it. I got it. Red.
There are a lot of cedar berry cherries which hasn't ripened, and this is the stage at which it is green. It's so beautiful to look at the new growth on these mango trees, the leaves in the evening sun. This is the Rajdhani plant, and its flower is so scented when it opens completely. This is half open, and the flowers on the bottom start to open up, and they are so scented, so beautiful. These are the ants hustled up onto the palm leaves, protecting themselves from the rain. It's a beautiful sight. These ants, they protect the trees from a lot of diseases and insect damage. Look at it. It's taking over the mango. This is a cactus in a pot that I found in my brother's house. Looks like it's going to flower. It's got buds on it. These are my okra plants, some sunflower plants, and more okra plants which are of a different variety. This is the elephant tusk of okra, and this is an usual normal okra. I don't know the variety. And these are my sunflower plants. These are the red sunflowers, red velvet sunflowers. So I'm going to transplant them into the soil. Look at that root system of the okra plants. Yay, I transplanted one okra plant. I have so many more to go. I transplanted all the okras I could. From there to here. A lot more okras planted over here because the soil is loose and I could dig through. And these are the sunflowers. This is the seed tray after I planted all the okras and the sunflowers. And this is Neikumbalam. There is one sunflower plant among the Neikumbalams. Neikumbalam means ivy god. And I am going to transplant this into another pot instead of directly into the ground, because right now, look at this mint plant's roots. There were a lot of plants in this, and I just took it out to replant. There is this plant. It is a herb and it is very beneficial. Nowadays it has become so popular. So I am going to repot all these plants after removing all these weeds. While repotting, I found the Suriname cherry. We have this tree in our backyard. This is the palmolive, or it's called the milk colored chili because of its color, which is white in color when it's not ripe. This chili is one of the hot varieties. It is a really prolific producer. You can see that it has numerous flowers on it. It's so beautiful. It's tiny. The chilies are also tiny. We usually use this in chutneys or pickles. It's very nice to pickle using this chili. If you don't keep harvesting the chilies of the plant, there's a high tendency for the plant to die. This is the flower of the blackberry jam plant. This is the bud, and I'll show you the flower. And this is its flower. It's so big and so beautiful, but the blackberry jam pod is really small. I have seen in certain videos, haven't had first-hand experience with eating its fruits. It's the first time it's growing so many buds, and I'm really happy if I'm lucky, I can at least taste one blackberry jam before I leave. Few days ago, I pollinated this butternut squash, and look, it has been pollinated perfectly, and I'm waiting for it to grow. I sowed some granula passion fruit varieties in this. We can see how it grows because it doesn't grow in this climate, and this is an experiment. I got these seeds from Organic Bazaar, and yeah, they have been doing well. They're establishing themselves, so let them take care of themselves. And I have been fertilizing them in between. Yeah, I think they'll bloom. Look at that. The stem is getting elongated, and I think they will bloom. Yeah. It's good now. Oh my god. And look at this. Freaking coriander and the bean that I transplanted last time. This is the globe amaranth which I transplanted. Marigold plants I haven't flowered. Beans, volunteer. This is my Galladia plants. Few dahlia plants and tomatoes. This is the chili that I transplanted nearly a month and a half ago. It's basically growing in soil. I haven't put any kind of fertilizer. We just put vegetable waste, etc., on the other plants, and I think probably this will get it too. And this is another kind of chili. It is growing so fast. Chilies grow very fast when it rains, and I have found that chilies that I grew in this, which I loaded it with a lot of compost, etc., seem to have a lot of pest damage. The leaves were so glossy, so healthy, etc., but they always were damaged by some kind of pest or disease or something else. Once I transplanted onto the ground, grew so well, and I am planning to transplant these ones to the ground. Once basil plant, chilies, more chilies, more chilies, little bit of mint, a ramba leaf plant, vetiver roots, more chilies of a different variety, which is a bit of blue black color. This is a flowering plant. Zinnias, more zinnias, more zinnias. A kasturi turmeric plant, and this is the black turmeric plant. It's a different kind of cosmos. Beetle leaf plant that I transplanted. It's my brahmi growing vigorously. These are my butternut squash plants grown in the seed tray. Every year we have one or two tortoise that visits us.